Thutha wa kurikia mucemanio kwa mutigaire Mildred muciĩ mwena wa Kayole, Mildred Odira araumire arorete gwake muciĩ mwena wa Embakasi utuko wa ira kuria arauga ni areciria Ekanai niho maramurumiriire o nginya gwake.
Ni kama hao jamaa walinifuata jana juu nitoka kwa sister yangu saa 2 ya usiku. Wakakuja wakajua mahali na kaa. Leo asubuhi kuamkia kufungua gate kukuja mochari nikawapata wakiwa kwa pikipiki jamaa wawili. Wakaniambia uachana hiyo kesi ya Mildred ama wafuate. Utafuata hiyo njia Mildred amefuata.
Riu augite ndekumakio kana gwikirwo guoya ni Ekanai acio na ni ahurite riboti ceceni ya borithi ya Tasia.
Kama issue ya Mildred ndio itanifanya niende kaburi langu mapema. Mungu anitarishie mahali. I'm ready to go even today. Let them kill me, but the truth will stand. Mildred was murdered.
We are asking the police to offer them protection because where you have people giving threats to the family, we've seen in the past where people have been threatened and then they have gone ahead and been killed.
Macio magithiaga na mbere uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Mildred Odira ni utafanirio ni mutaramu munene wa miri thirikari-ini Johansen Odur thini wa mochari ya City kuria family yugite ndagitari ucio ni ekirite mukonde ati Mildred ni kuragwo oragirwo kuria aguthirwo mutwe na nyundo.
Daktari ametueleza kinaga ubaga ya kwamba kilichomuua sio accident ambao ilimleta hapa. Inaonekana kwamba iko mtu au watu ambao walipiga kichwa yake na nyundo.
Kurerikana Mildred ni oragitwo mbere ya mwiri wake gutwarwo barabara-ini mwena wa Allsops kuria akinyagirwo ni ngari nyingi.
So that vehicles ran over her, that it appears that she was involved in an accident. Beyond that also they've taken samples, DNA samples from her, including nails in case there were defensive DNA. And other areas in case of possibility of rape.
Gikuũ gĩkĩ gĩthiĩte na mbere kuongerera ciũria thutha wa family kwĩra Inooro TV. Mildred arwara ũtukũ ũcio erire mũrangĩri amwethere taxi na ndereba wa taxi ũrĩa ũnyitĩtwo etirwo nĩ mũrangĩri ũcio kuma gwake mũciĩ. Ona uthuthuria ũgĩthiaga na mbere, family ĩno nĩ yugĩte ndĩgũtiga kũũria ciũria thutha wa Ekanai kũmakora kwao mũciĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo mũitĩrĩri wa Wangari.